Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show contact information on your Android lock screen. Okay, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the lock screen setting. And since we want to show contact information on our lock screen, we can tap on contact information. And here you can show your contact information. You can show information such as your phone number or email address on the lock screen so you can be contacted if you lose your phone. And I'm going to add this information. Alright, and after you're done, you just need to click on done. And I'm going to show you how it looks. So I'm going to lock my phone. Okay, and this is the result. The contact information has appeared on my lock screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can show contact information on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.